At Neil C. Mitchell Sales, we're not limited to just quality pre-owned cars and trucks. We sell trucks, heavy trucks, equipment, and what we have here is a 2000 Tennant ATLV 4300. It's an all-terrain vacuum cleaner. This thing's awesome. Look at it. Looks like something they'd use on the moon. It's got the all-terrain tires on it. It's got low hours. What's it got for hours? 800 and something? 869 hours. It's got a little diesel engine in it. So it's got two big containers in the back here with bags in them that you take out and empty them. It's got the lights and signal lights on it. You can drive it on the road. Good for cleaning parking lots, sidewalks. You can go pick up stuff off your grass, debris, leaves. What a gift for somebody. For the guy that got everything. I bet you he doesn't have this. Let's fire this thing up here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. An extension here you can take off if you want to clean out catch basins or something like that. Put her down there, clean it right out. This thing's awesome. Got mirrors right here, convex mirrors, so you can see what's going on beside you and behind you. It's wonderful. So for all your off-road vacuuming needs, come to Neil C. Mitchell Sales at 976 Park Street in beautiful downtown Aylesford, Nova Scotia. You can call Matthew Mitchell or Scott Porter toll free, 1-866-389-6250. Check us out on the World Wide Web, www.neilcmitchellsales.com, or follow us on Facebook. That's the trendy thing to do. And you can see the updates of all the current inventory and everything that's going on at Neil C. Mitchell Sales.